good afternoon. This is IND and you are watching Crafts by IND. So I have here a box. Okay, I got this from Miss Isabe of the Yellow Violet House. So she has a lot of boxes actually. Before that, I can make another project. This is the box that I got from her and made a box for my generous enough to give me a lot of freebies. Okay, and she put it inside the boxes. By the way, this boxes is the product that she made, and she uses, I think, as a theme holds covering for this box. She put a lock like this. Okay, so let's open this one. Okay, so when you open it, so this material that she used for this box, and it's really durable and I like it very much. And she put a lot of stuff inside. Okay, so this one is a foil. Yeah, it's for my heat foil. And I bought a heat foil from her. So this is her preview. And she put a lot of stuff. This one is very nice. There's a lot more actually. Yeah, this is a combination of stamping and putting washi tapes. These are the watercolor painting. She made it. This one also stamping and putting ephemeras and washi tapes. There, oh, it's really nice. Isn't it the government? It's a Hong Kong, if I'm not mistaken, it is made Hong Kong blank base cards. So this one is a lot of foilings, maybe some for craft noon projects, craft noon live stream. The other one has this lock, but these ones are different. I just flip this one. I like this. Oh, this is so nice. Guys. And a lot more, isn't it? This one, these are, I think, a handmade paper. I don't know if she made it or she made what I mean the paper itself. It's really nice. Number 4. Okay, this is another design from Tim Holtz coloring. Small easel for your paints. Okay, let's see. It's a medium size easel. Ooh, I love this. I love paper flowers. And this one's also. Here, look. There. You know, she's always making this kind of stuff, and I really like it. Yeah, she made a lot of things like this and then make a, what do you call this, a design for planner or journals. And TN. Yeah, TN is a travel notebook actually. I like this. It's so nice, right? These ones are die cuts, right? Die cut papers. Okay, and these are a clock embellishments. There. This one's also nice one. Okay. And the bicycle, of course. Paper flowers, I love them. Okay, I think, if I'm not mistaken, these are from Prima papers. So it also have this one. Oh my goodness, Miss Isa, did you made all of this? Oh, these are nice. Oops, there you have it, and the smaller ones. And again, oh, so lovely. Double laces. I have a small box. Oh, it's so cute. It's a clippings. Okay, one second. You can clip it like this actually. These are frames. Look, guys. And also these. Aren't they cute? Oh. This size. Wow. Flowers. Oh, it's nice. You can use this as is, but if you want to paint, also it's nice to have different colors. She gave me small boxes again. This is very precious to her, so I'll be using it now. Thank you, Miss Isa. Open this one like this. Okay, close this one, and then you tie it up and make a ribbon to look like rattan. Nice. Ooh, there, look, it's black in the inside. Okay, thank you, Isa, you're so generous talaga. And lastly, just to show you the sample that I made, using this bag type of box that she made, that she gave to me actually a long time ago. Okay, so these are sample of my mintai. The mintai paper that I used. This collection is vacation. Okay, and at the back, I added texture onto it and then painted it. Okay, and also put some chipboards like this. Okay, let's go and check inside. Okay, so when you open it, just like this. Actually, this album is not yet done, but for the sake of all of you guys, to give you some ideas on how to use it. So again, as I've said, this is not yet done. I'm still working on it. It's still in work in progress. So when you open it like this one is a photo album actually. Another part of your memorabilia. Another memorabilia. Sorry for my voice. Okay. These are chipboards, and then I fussy cut those. Okay, so as you can see, some pages are not yet, they still plain and do not have any design yet. Okay, so these are the samples, these are the papers. Okay, and then these are a frame. So why did I put some opening here? Because I just want to put something on it and then make another flipping, okay, to add more pages if I wanted to. These are packet insert, okay, to put all your memorabilia, something to remember from your vacations like that. Okay. These are two types of, actually these are two types of mintai collection. Okay, this one, I think this one is bird song. There. Again, another openings at the middle. Okay, this one also. Okay, if I want to put more pages actually. So this is the album, the basic album. Okay, so I cut it that it would be insert inside. So sakto lang, diba? Okay. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing of mine and showing you my project, the project that I made, sample project that I made actually out of this box. Okay guys, thank you for watching. God bless. Bye.